Question number 21. According to Dash, the more you do something, the better you are at it. We have four options: law of effect, law of exercise, law of readiness, and law of connectionism. So the right answer is option B, law of exercise. ये जो चार हमारे पास फोर लॉज है, ये जो है साइकोलॉजी के लॉ ऑफ लर्निंग है। और इसमें जो क्वेश्चन हमसे पूछा गया है, कोई भी काम हम जब ज़्यादा करते हैं तो इसमें जो है बेटर हम इसमें हो जाते हैं, यानी कि उसका रिजल्ट भी हम जो है बेटर करते हैं, या उसमें जो हमारा प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा होता है। तो ये कौन सा लॉ है? तो ये लॉ है हमारे पास लॉ ऑफ एक्सरसाइज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 है, द एडुकेटर ऑफ फिलोसफी ऑफ प्रैग्मेटिज्म बिलीव दैट रियलिटी इज डैश। वी हैव फोर ऑप्शन: imagination, stagnant, constantly changing, and related to mind. So the right answer is option C, constantly changing. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेके 20 तक प्रीवियस लेक्चर में मैंने अपलोड किया था, और वो जो है हमारे पास पेडागोजी का एक प्लेलिस्ट है, वहाँ पे मैंने अपलोड करके रखा हुआ है, आप वहाँ से वॉच कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 है, अ पॉपुलर टीचर इज़ वन हु, ऑप्शन ए अ फेवरेट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, ऑप्शन बी respect children parents, option C loves children, option D favorite of parents. So the right answer is option A, is favorite of children. Question number 24. The famous book The Republic was written by Dash. We have four options: Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, and John Locke. So the right answer is option B, Plato. Question number 25. An assessment that is conducted prior to the start of teaching or instruction is called dash. We have four options: initial assessment, formal assessment, formative assessment, summative assessment. So the right answer is option A, essential assessment, initial assessment. Question number 26. The module based on the philosophy that learning occur when there are change in mental structure are called dash. We have four options: knowledge learning module, option B affective learning module, option C cognitive learning module, and option D psychomotor learning module. So the right answer is option C, cognitive learning modules. Question number 27. Rather than telling, teacher lead student to concept through a series of ordered question in dash. We have four options: Socratic method, Aristotelian method, heuristic method, and Platonic method. So the right answer is option A, Socratic method. Question number 30 हमारे पास है, the extension technique of classroom management is a technique where teacher dash any negative behavior. We have four options: divert, ignore, encourage, and discourage. So the right answer is option B, ignore. यानी कि ये क्या है? The extension technique of classroom management is a technique where the teacher ignore any negative behavior of a student. Question number 31. In co-education, you dash. Option A, you deal according to need. Option B, you give preference to boys over girls. Option C, make separate rows and boys and girls. Option D, you give preference to none. So the right answer is option A, you deal according to need. Question number 33. A common technique to help people begin the creative process is dash. We have four options: calculation, brainstorming, thoroughness, and option D, mental shortcut. So the right answer is option B, brainstorming. Question number 34. An assessment and dash assessment is one which measure what is intended to measure. So we have four options: valid, invalid, reliable, and unreliable. The right answer is option A, valid. Question number 35. According to John Dewey, educational process has two sides. Option A, economical and sociological. Option B, psychological and sociological. Option C, economical and philosophical. Option D, sociological and philosophical. The right answer is option B, psychological and sociological. Question number 36. Epistemology is the branch of philosophy concerned with the theory of dash. We have four options: education, learning, knowledge, philosophy of education. The right answer is option C, knowledge. Question number 37. The simplest skill in negative domain of Bloom taxonomy is dash. We have four options: remembering, understanding, evaluating, and synthesizing. The right answer is option A, remembering. Question number 38. You are a famous teacher, but students are not satisfied with your teaching style. How you will teach them? Option A will take training again to reform the style. Option B will change your style according to a student. Option C will make harmony with student style. Option D will tell about your style first. The right answer is option C will make harmony with student style. Question number 39. When the teacher form different group among the students that take turn asking other group question, the strategy she is using is the dash. We have four options: cooperative learning, cooperative review, group work, cooperative thinking. The right answer is option B, cooperative review. Question number 40. The cooperative learning method, which combine whole class learning plus intergenous small group, is termed as, we have four options: circle of learning, circle of knowledge, circle of conceptual learning, and none of these. The right answer is option A, circle of learning. Question number 41. One-on-one approach to teaching or reteaching concept is termed as dash. We have four options: counseling, tutoring, and guiding. और D में है हमारे पास none of these. So the right answer is option B, tutoring. Question number 44. According to John Locke, a child mind does not contain any dash. We have four options: innate ideas, option B, memory, option C, observation, and option D, imagination. The right answer is option A, innate ideas. Question number 45. The dash says we are motivated to gain a reward and avoid punishment. So we have four options: law of effect, law of exercise, and law of readiness, law of connectionism. The right answer is option A, law of effect. Question number 46. According to the philosophy of idealism in education, the subject matter of curriculum should be dash. We have four options: mathematics, science, physical world, and mind. The right answer is option D, mind. Question number 47. According to the theory of the form or a theory of ideas, material world is an dash of the real world. We have four options: shadow, image, part, and sign. The right answer is option B, image. Question number 48. The skill when students try to build abstract knowledge is called dash. We have four options: originating, option B, characterizing, option C, evaluating, and option D, synthesizing. The right answer is option B, characterizing. Question number 49. The academy was founded in dash. We have four options: Athens, Stagira, Macedonia, and Chalkis. So the right answer is option A, Athens. Question number 50. According to the Aristotle, virtue is an dash state between excess and the deficiency. We have four options: natural, intermediate, real, and artificial. The right answer is option B, intermediate.